On April 10th, 2024, a CVS pharmacy technician named Sarah was arrested for stealing Phentermine from the dispensary where she worked. 50 pills, $63.59. 1 month, that dollar amount is almost irrelevant. Under the Federal Controlled Substances Act, Title 21 of the United States Code, Section 812, Phentermine is a Schedule 4 controlled substance. The moment it was stolen from a licensed dispensary, this became a felony.
I've been working on a pharmacy investigation for quite some time. We had a young lady that's in the office. She was stealing Phentermine. That's a controlled substance. Phentermine? It's a weight loss drug is what it says. Okay? She says she's been doing it for about a month. I probably have about 2 or 3 months of loss. She only admitted to, and I'm going to give this to you guys, put this a bow for you. She did a Q&A for me. It's only like $63 and change.
Total for the 2 months or whatever it was?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. It's generic, so it's not a lot of money. Okay. She's very cooperative, scared of being arrested type of stuff. All right. This is going to be your guys'. She doesn't have anything on her, and she doesn't have anything in the car.
Does she work in the front?
Nope. She's a pharmacy tech. She's a licensed pharmacy tech.
You guys have video footage of her doing it?
Yep. Come on back, sweetie. Come on. We can step over here.
Oh, sorry.
I don't think anybody's going to take buying crayons. She admitted to it then? Should have.
All right, so what do you guys want to do?
I'll leave it up to you. I mean,
It's not up to us, it's up to you guys.
So, I mean, our term on we will prosecute type scenario. If the state attorney wants to move forward with everything.
Yeah, if you guys want to do that, we could, or if you guys want to fire and have no trespass, you can do that too.
Our stance is to prosecute for pharmacy. So, we'll go that route.
All right,
if you have, so from you, if you have an email, I can send you the video clips and any other documentation.
Be
part
fantastic,
of that.
yeah.
That'll be easier to try to
You
get.
want me to write it down for you?
Please.
Right there?
Right there for me.
She was someone else?
She's the store manager in there. She's on the phone. She got a 12-year-old and an 8-year-old.
She why she did it?
She's trying to lose weight.
Oh, it's for her.
It's for her.
All right, so just so we have everything, how much? Statement, perfect.
You got the statement, and there's another one for the drugs. So if you want to look at that, with the price on it as well.
Yeah. How many?
Keep going.
Let's see the total amount.
Keep going on your paper. One more. One more. So here's the drug name. Here's the quantity. Those are her initials, and there's the price.
50, so 50 pills?
Yeah.
And total price, so it's total, $63.59.
Yes.
Okay. And then no birthday or anything on that? Yeah, if you don't mind.
She was born in. I got it in my book.
Perfect.
So I was sure.
Yeah, if you don't mind just grabbing her birthday, and then I'll probably just
want to come back there.
After confirming the suspect's admission, deputies process the arrest. Even with a cooperative subject, officers must document steps and preserve evidence before advancing the case.
All right, do you mind just explaining what happened? I'm sorry?
I need to pocket pills.
Okay. When did you start doing that?
About a month ago.
You know how many you took?
Less than 50.
So you pocketed pills at that time? Pocketed about 50. Let me just get this information over here just to make sure that you have everything here. Alright, so over what time period do you think you started doing this?
A month.
A month? Okay, and you took about, you don't really know how many?
Yeah.
Okay. And it was that weight loss pill? Is that correct? Okay. Alright, do you mind just standing up for me?
A report of an open burn at 39
Just turn around.
Street, 20 to 30 feet.
Yep. Sarah, do you have anything on you?
About 15 in here. Thank you. Appreciate that. And thank you for the statement. Appreciate that.
With the suspect secured, deputies handle administration by documenting reports, witness statements, and evidence to properly prepare the case for prosecution.
So everything I told you, just when I said, do I need a lawyer? So they're just going to hold it all against me.
I told you. It was up to you to find a lawyer. I'm not law enforcement.
Spread your feet, sorry.
Well, then now you want to do the statement and all that. That's not going to be.
Do you want to grab this? And I'll grab this stuff.
Can we not walk by the pharmacy?
I'll walk you straight out and to the left. How's that?
That's the right over.
Yeah, that's right. Like, straight down.
I just text my mom because I have 2 kids. I don't just see what she said.
Let's get to the car, and then we still have to figure stuff out. We still have to figure stuff out, so.
Deputies complete their pharmacy work, turning over the custody, statements, footage, and recovered records for formal legal processing.
We'll get out there, and then we can talk to your mom.
Let's go out there.
Do you have your phone on you or no?
Yeah.
You want to call the sergeant, and then. We're gonna figure that out. I would say, I'm trying to be upfront with you. I would say yes. Have you been arrested before? Never? No. probably an in and out type thing. Not a guarantee, obviously, but stand right there for me.
Yeah, they said that she's not sick until over a month's time.
So surgery spring feet. Okay. Have a seat for now. I'll open the window. We just have to figure out kind of what's going on.
Comfies in the front by any chance?
Huh?
Like comfies in the front by any chance?
We're not supposed to for policy. I will try and get you out as quickly as possible. I know it's uncomfortable. Alright. Try and get you in and out as quickly as possible. You what? It really depends on what my OIC says. If you have a clean record and... What? Perfect. Yeah, so it's more like if you're on probation or... Yeah, so likely you'll be in, we have to fingerprint and photograph you, and then you get some paperwork that tells you to go to court, and that's it. Alright?
With the suspect detained and evidence submitted, prosecutors will review all statements, footage, and records as the case advances.
Phentermine, it's a weight loss drug, 37.5 mg tablet. So we had them write her name is Sarah. Let me just pull it up, make sure I have the right info for you. Yeah, she's born in... Yeah, that's it, yeah. Hello. All right, perfect. So we got her in custody and everything, so...
Can I email that to you?
The statement?
Yep.
We do need it now, if you don't mind. Do you mind just filling it out quick? Just say, hey, she stole this, and then we'll want to press charges. I know it sounds ridiculous, but...
I know, I usually email it.
Do you mind doing that?
Not at all.
Okay, perfect.
Just
Thank
case
you.
number for me, too.
Yep. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Perfect. And then, so your name, just make
My
sure...
alias is...
Okay, but your...
Yes.
And thank you for all this information.
Yeah, I do this for...
Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, she has everything on it. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right, you need anything else from me?
No. They give you guys cards anymore?
Unfortunately, they don't. I know, right? I wish we did. Do you do loss prevention with multiple locations, or just this one?
Entire country.
Oh, wow. Cool. Nice, that's awesome. Asset protection?
Yeah, so I do nothing but drugs.
Oh, cool.
What's your last name?
Okay.
Awesome. That's all I need.
All right.
And I have your email, so I'll send you the...
Yes, sir. Okay, yeah,
So, it's pretty cool. I'll box it out for you. Show it. She
Yeah.
takes it, she pours it, puts it in her pocket. It's
Yeah.
clean.
Perfect.
So,
Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it. Take care. All right, thanks. Take care, guys. Appreciate it.
Loss Prevention had been running this investigation for weeks before police arrived. Surveillance footage, a drug inventory log with initials and quantities, and a signed written admission from Sarah. A complete package. Loss prevention agents are private actors. The Fourth and Fifth Amendments restrict government conduct, not private employers. The Supreme Court established this in Bordeaux v. McDowell in 1921. CVS had every right to question Sarah and document her answers. That written confession is fully admissible in court. No Miranda issue. No warrant requirement. No constitutional barrier whatsoever. But the moment police walked in and began questioning her, the rules completely changed. In Miranda v. Arizona, decided in 1966, the Supreme Court established that custodial interrogation requires a prior rights advisement, the right to remain silent, and the right to an attorney. Two triggers must be present custody and interrogation. Both existed here. Then Sarah says, direct quote, "When I said, do I need a lawyer? So they are just going to hold it all against me." She is not frustrated. She is referencing a prior invocation of counsel, under Miranda, that should have stopped questioning immediately. The legal standard for invoking counsel is not simple. In Davis v. United States, decided in 1994, the Supreme Court held the invocation must be unambiguous. Do I need a lawyer is legally arguable. Defense will file a suppression motion on exactly that language. If the court suppresses her on-camera statements to deputies, prosecutors still have the CVS confession. The surveillance footage and the inventory log. The Miranda problem weakens the case, it does not collapse it. Private employer evidence is untouched by any constitutional challenge. The pat-down is not a problem. Under Schneckloth v. Bustamante, decided in 1973, voluntary consent to search requires no warrant. Sarah stood and complied when asked. Valid consent. Clean. No challenge there. Deputies earn an A-. Clean low-force arrest. Professional demeanor. And they rerouted Sarah away from the pharmacy floor when she asked. That small decision showed real judgment. But the Miranda advisement is not confirmed on camera, and her counsel reference is never clearly addressed. In a felony-controlled substance case, that procedural gap is not minor. If those statements get suppressed at a hearing, the prosecution loses its strongest on-camera evidence. That is a consequence of documentation failure, not bad intent. Sarah earns a C+. She stayed calm, complied physically, did not escalate. That counts. But she gave loss prevention a signed admission before police arrived, then kept answering deputies after referencing a lawyer. Right instinct. Wrong execution. CVS loss prevention earns a straight A. Weeks of documentation before making a move. A complete evidence package at handoff. And they chose prosecution over simple termination, the correct call when the theft involves a federally scheduled medication pulled from a licensed dispensary. 3 takeaways. First, private employer confessions are not protected by Miranda. Loss prevention is not law enforcement. What you tell them follows you into court. Sarah had the option to say nothing to CVS security. She did not exercise it. Second, drug scheduling controls charge severity, not dollar value. $63.59 worth of Phentermine is still a felony because of what the drug is. A pharmacist stealing $1,000 of aspirin faces a misdemeanor. Same dollar value, completely different exposure. Third, Miranda is not automatic. The obligation does not attach until custody and interrogation are both present. If you are not free to leave, treat every question as potentially incriminating. When you invoke, be explicit, I want a lawyer. I am done answering questions. That sentence changes everything. Vague references to counsel framed as questions, buried in a sentence, give prosecutors room to argue the invocation was not unambiguous. Davis v. United States gave them that argument in 1994. Do not hand it to them. Drop your thoughts in the comments if there is a case or a legal topic you want us to break down. Thank you for watching.